So it's time to make this one a dually. We're going to go out and steal the back tires off of Peter, and then we're going to put them on here. Alright, looks like we're going to do a change of plans. So these are 20 by 8 by 8s. These are 20 by 10 by 8s. So they're only 2 inches wider, but they look a lot bigger. Those are 18 by 8 by 8s. So I'm just going to put those on for right now, because those are in use anyway. Alright, so we aired this 18 inch up, and we let air out of the 20 inch. So my plan was to take the bolts from General Lee and put them on this, but these are too short, so I'm gonna have to get some longer ones. Okay, so I got this all thread. It's about 1 inch too short, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bolt, I'm going to put it in this nut, I'm going to tighten it down about halfway into the nut, then I'm going to take this, when it's all nice and welded up, and then I'm going to put it onto this and then weld it. Got the bolt welded on the nut. Now I'm going to weld the all thread onto the nut, and then I'm going to have to cut off the head so then I can put it in the wheel. And then we'll be done. Here's the finished product of 2 of them. So I welded the all thread into the nut, and I welded the bolt into the nut, and then I also cut the top off there so that I can get it into the wheel. Alright, we got the other side done. One right there, one right there. Now we're going to put this tire on. Alright, we got the back tires on. Nice and sturdy. That's what she looks like. We're going to go out and test her out. This is a sneak peek of the next video. I turned that lawnmower that we jumped into a trailer. Well, that didn't last long. Broke a weld. And now it's all messed up. Okay, so this is what broke. Just twisted right out. It barely had any threads. So we're gonna have to weld that up. This one actually held together, but it's a little loose, so I'm gonna weld that again. So we got these welded up. Put some better weld on it. So yeah, let's see if it's gonna hold now.